Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating improvement in Nix, pre-resolved store paths. It's a game changer, especially for resource-constrained environments.
I'm all ears. So what's the core problem this solves? I understand Nix's power, but what's the bottleneck?
Right. The issue is Nix evaluation process. Before building anything, it needs to determine the store path where the built artifact will live. This evaluation tax is significant, even when pulling from a cache, especially on low-resource devices. It consumes memory and time.
So even if you're just fetching from a cache, you still pay this evaluation cost? That seems inefficient.
Precisely. That's where FlakeHub's resolved store paths come in. It's a brilliant solution. It lets you get the store path without the evaluation step, directly from FlakeHub's database.
Wow, that's a huge leap. How does it work practically? Are we talking about some new command line tool?
Yes, it uses the fhcli. There are two main commands, fhresolve and fhapply. Fhresolve gets you the store path for a given flake reference, instantly. No Nix evaluation needed.
And fhapply?
Fhapply uses those pre-resolved paths to directly apply configurations. Think NixOS, Home Manager, even nix-darwin's. It's incredibly fast because it skips the entire evaluation process. Imagine updating a NixOS system on a resource-constrained device. This makes it a breeze.
This is amazing for deployments, especially in cloud environments or on embedded systems. But how do you get these pre-resolved paths in the first place?
You need to generate them during the Flake publishing process using the FlakeHub push action in GitHub Actions. You just add include output paths, true to your workflow, and boom, FlakeHub stores the paths.
So it's a seamless integration with existing workflows. But isn't there a security implication? Storing paths directly seems risky.
Good point. FlakeHub handles permissions meticulously. Access to these resolved paths is controlled by the same permissions as the flake itself. Public flakes are publicly accessible. Private flakes are only accessible to authorized users.
That makes sense. So fhresolve is great for scripting and fetching artifacts directly from the cache, while fhapply streamlines configuration deployments. This is a significant advancement for the Nix ecosystem.
Absolutely. It opens up new possibilities. We're talking about faster deployments, reduced resource consumption, and simplified workflows. It's a win-win-win.
I'm already thinking about how to integrate this into my projects. This is truly a game changer for Nix.
I agree completely. This is a significant step forward for Nix, making it even more powerful and accessible. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.